Welcome to Freedom Review. Here I rank the top 5 products you can trust. Most blenders promise silky smoothies, but we all know the reality: gritty textures, stubborn ice chunks, and motors that smell like they're about to burn out. The solution is matching power, capacity, and features to what you really need, instead of guessing in the aisle. So we tested and ranked the best kitchen blender to help you choose the right one. Starting at number 5, we have the ASTRALSHIP kitchen blender, a great option for home cooks who want a glass jar, hot soups, and smart presets without paying Vitamix money. Out of the box, it feels more premium than most budget blenders thanks to the hefty, heat-resistant glass pitcher and modern touch controls. It has a serious presence on the counter, but still fits under most standard cabinets, so you can leave it plugged in and ready to go. Day to day, it's the convenience features that make it feel like an upgrade from a basic glass blender. Against the Ninja Professional, it trades some brute power and large plastic capacity for the feel and safety of glass and built-in heating. But here's the key difference: ASTRALSHIP tries to be your all-rounder soup and smoothie station, not just an ice crusher. The final verdict: ASTRALSHIP is ideal for health-conscious families and home cooks who want a glass, heat-safe blender with presets and self-cleaning, without jumping into the Vitamix price tier. If you prioritize hot soups, baby food, and everyday smoothies over hardcore nut butter and commercial-style use, this is a very comfortable, feature-rich starting point. Number 4. Reslee Kitchen Blender. At number 4, we have the Reslee Kitchen Blender, a great option for serious smoothie drinkers and nutrition-focused users who care about color, freshness, and texture. First impressions are that this looks and feels more like a compact commercial unit than a standard home blender, with a sturdy base, tall tri-tan jar, and a dedicated vacuum lid system sitting on top. It clearly aims at users who are blending every day and want pro-level results without a massive footprint. It edges closer to the Vitamix VX1 in terms of texture on fibrous ingredients, but at a generally lower price and with that vacuum advantage for nutrient-dense recipes. The trade-off is that it's a bit louder than some competitors at full speed, and the vacuum lid adds an extra step before each blend. The verdict: Reslee is perfect for daily smoothie lovers, athletes, and health-focused users who prep juices or blends in advance and hate when they separate or turn dull. If you prioritize nutrient retention, bright colors, and ultra-smooth textures over a traditional glass jar or the absolute brand prestige of Vitamix, this is the one to go for. Coming in at number 3, we have the Ninja Professional Kitchen Blender, a great option for families and casual home users who want big batch power at a very reasonable price. Right away, the 72-ounce pitcher stands out, giving you enough capacity for multiple smoothies, frozen drinks, or party batches in a single run. The overall design is sleek and modern, but still simple, with straightforward buttons and an easy locking lid that most people can figure out in seconds. If you regularly make big pitchers of smoothies, frozen drinks, or blended recipes for multiple people, the Ninja Professional is a fantastic workhorse pick. It's ideal for families, roommates, or entertainers who want strong ice-crushing, solid all-round performance, and very easy controls without diving into premium pricing. Number 2. Vitamix VX1 Kitchen Blender. At number 2, we have the Vitamix VX1 Kitchen Blender, a great option for serious home cooks and power users who want near-commercial performance without going into full restaurant gear pricing. Out of the box, it feels premium and heavy-duty, with a solid base, classic 64-ounce container, and that familiar Vitamix silhouette that screams Pro Kitchen. It's instantly clear this is built for frequent, demanding use rather than occasional weekend smoothies. The core pain point the VX1 solves is inconsistency and limitations with dense or fibrous ingredients. It sits just below our number 1 BLACK+DECKER pick in terms of broad mainstream appeal only because of its higher price and more enthusiast positioning, not because it lacks performance. The verdict: Vitamix VX1 is perfect for home chefs, meal preppers, and serious smoothie or soup lovers who use a blender several times a week and want professional-level results. If you're willing to invest more upfront for power, consistency, and long-term durability, this is the blender that can replace several other appliances in your kitchen. Finally, at number 1, we have the BLACK+DECKER Kitchen Blender, a great option for everyday users who want something reliable, simple, and affordable that still handles the basics really well. First impression. It looks like the classic countertop blender many of us grew up with, featuring a compact base, a 5-cup to 6-cup class glass jar, and a straightforward control panel with clearly labeled buttons. It's not trying to be flashy or intimidating, which is exactly why so many kitchens end up relying on it. The main problem this solves is the "I just need it to work" scenario for daily blending. With around 550 watts of power, it's not chasing pro-level performance, but it offers enough muscle for smoothies, shakes, sauces, and light ice crushing for most households. When it comes to blenders, there really isn't a one-size-fits-all choice, and that's why we ranked different styles instead of just picking the most expensive one. Power users and home chefs will gravitate toward the Vitamix VX1 or Reslee, while families and budget-conscious buyers may be better served by Ninja, ASTRALSHIP, or BLACK+DECKER. You'll find links to all the blenders we mentioned down in the description, so you can check current pricing, more reviews, and full specs for the one that fits your kitchen best. Before you click away, let us know in the comments what you blend most often so we can tailor future tests to what you actually use every day.